2 million ang populasyon nyo. Ano ang reforma sa liderato ni Isko Moreno?
The same thing, MBN. I'm a believer of MBN. And thanks to UP NCPAG,
NBN basic needs to,
minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. These are 4 things na hindi kaya yaman bilang mamamayan.
Pero may dignidad ka.
Ang galing mo. You hit it right. Pinatataas mo ang antas ng pamumuhay ng tao. May masisilungan, may paghanap buhayan, may pag-aaralan, may pagamutan. And these are basic needs. It's sa core ng isang pamilya. Now, the thing about cleanliness and peace and order, it is needed. And it is immediate in the